Small business owners have enough tasks on their plate without adding to it the stress and worry of getting their bookkeeping done and getting it done correctly. Outsourcing your bookkeeping is one of those tasks that's better left to the professionals, since it can be so easy to make a huge mess if you don't understand how the bookkeeping process works. Hi, I'm Karen Kinsinger. If you don't know who I am, I'm an online bookkeeper that specializes with QuickBooks Online, and I help service-based entrepreneurs make sense of their finances. Today we're talking about 4 things that you should consider when hiring a bookkeeper. If you've been thinking about hiring a bookkeeper, keep these tips in mind. The first one is the bookkeeping platform. The software that you use to do your bookkeeping is one of the most important factors in considering who should be doing your bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is not just about the company that handles your data, but also about the software that they put your data into. If they're using a different software than what you currently have, it will cost you time in transferring that data over to the new platform, and quite likely some expense in the software purchase as well. And what happens if your new bookkeeper doesn't work out? You'll have to either pay to move your data back or have to purchase the other software. Make sure that you are really certain with a little-known software that not many people are using before you make the switch. I personally love QuickBooks Online. Not only is it an industry-leading accounting software, but it's also affordable, versatile, user-friendly, and it makes it easy to transfer between bookkeepers and CPAs. The second tip is ease of use. How quickly are you able to access your information? With the advanced technology and internet that we have available today, your company's vital information should be available at your fingertips so that you know how your company is doing. If you prefer to do some of the bookkeeping yourself, are you able to access that data at the same time as your bookkeeper? QuickBooks Online makes it easy for you to access your data at the same time as your bookkeeper. The third tip is their bookkeeping experience. Not all bookkeeping is the same, and it's extremely important that you have a bookkeeper that knows exactly what they're doing. If they don't truly understand the process, they can make mistakes that end up costing you a lot of money. Look for someone with at least a few years of experience or some sort of certification, whether it's software certification, to show that they understand the bookkeeping process. The final tip is method of communication. Are you the kind of person that prefers email over face-to-face meetings? Or would you rather have a phone call than a web meeting because you're not a techie kind of person? It can be hugely frustrating to a small business owner when the expectations are not clear about how you prefer to communicate. Make sure that you express what your communication needs are before you hire a bookkeeper to make sure that they're able to deliver on what you need. These are just a few things that you should consider before hiring a professional bookkeeper. In addition to these, you may want to consider their expertise within your industry and whether or not they have the capability of providing you with additional types of services as your business grows, such as payroll, sales tax, invoicing, bill payment, and consulting. It's important to take these points into consideration before hiring to save you hassle and frustration down the road. If you're thinking about outsourcing your bookkeeping to a professional, I would love to talk with you. Book a free discovery call with me so that I can understand where you are in your business, where you want to go, and what kind of bookkeeping needs that you have. So book your free discovery call with me using the link in the video's description, and I look forward to chatting with you very soon.